Welcome to another daily dose of insights powered by Container Exchange. My name is Christian, and every other day we bring to you the key news, stories, and data points that move container markets and hence your business. This week was characterized by a lot of economic indicators that came in. We talked about it in our Monday session. Everything from wholesale inventories towards inflation, GDP, joblessness figures. This week had it all. And most of the figures came in below expectations, hence weighing on markets and market sentiment. End of last week, we also talked about it. Our exchange container sentiment index turned positive for the first time in quite a long time. And this week disappointed that as well. The container sentiment index turned negative as well after trading figures came in, and we saw what markets did. Now, let's take a quick look at the market. I'm just going to share my screen here, and we're going to look at the past 14 days, 14 months, actually, roughly since the beginning of 2022 up to today, actually, or up to yesterday. We're now looking at container prices for 40-foot high cube cargo worthy globally. So the blue line here is the global figures. As you can see here, still the long-term negative trend. And this continued this week. Just looking here down there at the figure, global container prices slid another 4% over the course of this week. So in deep, deep red negative territory. If we now look at two a little bit more specific locations here, Houston, Texas, and Shanghai, the picture is and remains relatively similar for Shanghai. So also here, long-term negative trend. This today as well, negative 4.5%. So in line with global container prices. Houston, though, in line with all over sort of North America, prices relatively stable. Houston actually appreciated around about 6.9% week over week. So definitely positive in green territory. Just like most of the US-based locations in our spotlight here are in green territory vis-a-vis the global average. Shanghai, as you can see here, now also actually trading at a discount compared to Houston. So Houston container cargo worthy 40-foot high cubes actually trading at a premium compared to Shanghai, as well as compared to the global average, as you can see here in the bottom left. Volatility creeped up overall in Shanghai, but at a relatively low level, especially compared to Q3 last year, Q2, Q3 last year, which was really an uptick to the very high volatility area. For next week, we'll see how markets develop. We'll take a look at trading indicators and economic indicators on Monday. Until then, rest well, have a good weekend, recover, and see you all on Monday. Take care.